Hi, I'm Baron. I'm an attorney and I wanted to talk about what's been lost with the Roe versus Wade reversal, and then I wanted to address women and men individually. 5 decades ago in Roe versus Wade, the United States Supreme Court held that a woman has the right to decide to terminate her pregnancy, and this was recognized as a federal constitutional right of privacy, uniform throughout the land. The Roe court stated, "We therefore conclude that the right of personal privacy includes the abortion decision, but that this right is not unqualified and must be considered against important state interests in regulation." Now, what this U.S. Supreme Court did is it took away that right, that constitutional right. That is what has been lost. And now it is leaving it up to the states to decide whether or not a woman still has those rights, not under the U.S. Constitution, but under their own state law. I mean, the duration of a pregnancy and the risks involved, they don't change from state to state. They don't change when you cross state lines. So why should a woman's right to decide to terminate her pregnancy vary depending on what state she lives in? Where is the equal protection in that? Women, there are many men out there who empathize with you, who understand that Roe's reversal is wrong. And although we will never know what it's like to be pregnant, we share your feelings of anxiety, of frustration, of anger and uncertainty because we feel the same way about Roe's reversal as well. Women, I want to let you know that Roe's reversal is not absolute. You will get your rights back on a uniform federal level. And I'll make another video as to why you will. But for now, just know this is not the final word, and you have the support of many of us men. And men, I am so encouraged by those of you who have been speaking out and who have been showing your support over this past week. But then there are others of you who have been posting lewd and misogynistic and even rapey stuff online. And to those of you doing that, just stop it. You are not being funny, you're being an asshole. And the only people who think you're being funny are other assholes like you. Look, if you can't or won't show support, then just shut up. I don't think there is any humor in half of the population losing a constitutional right. And look, men, if you are having a hard time right now understanding what women might be going through, then think about it this way. How would you feel if you woke up to the morning news and found out that one of your constitutional rights had been taken away, and that going forward, any healthcare decisions that you make over your own penis could either be okay or it could be a crime and get you thrown in prison, all depending on what state you lived in. It's the luck of the draw depending on where you're at. How is that fair? How would you feel about that? Think about it. Women, keep hope. You will get your rights back, and you have the support of us men.